In this video, we'll be exploring 10 unique science facts that you may not have known before. Did you know that our sense of smell can detect over 1 trillion different scents? Or that the largest living organism on Earth is a fungus that covers an area of over 2,200 acres? How about the fact that octopuses have 3 hearts? These are just a few of the fascinating facts we'll be exploring in this video. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed by the incredible wonders of science. Our sense of smell is incredibly sensitive and can detect over 1 trillion different scents, which is more than any other organ in our body. This is thanks to the olfactory receptors in our nose, which are able to detect even very small amounts of odor molecules. The largest living organism on Earth is not an animal or a plant, but a fungus that covers an area of over 2,200 acres in a forest in Oregon. The fungus, called Armillaria ostoye, is able to spread over such a large area thanks to its extensive underground network of interconnected threads, known as mycelia. Octopuses have 3 hearts because 2 of them pump blood to the octopus's gills, while the third circulates blood to the rest of its body. This allows octopuses to be very efficient at extracting oxygen from the water, which is important for their survival as they are mostly water-dwelling creatures. The Earth has a magnetic field that protects us from harmful solar radiation, and this magnetic field is generated by the movement of molten iron in the Earth's core. This movement creates electrical currents, which in turn generate the magnetic field that surrounds the planet. The Great Barrier Reef in Australia is the largest structure made up of living organisms on our planet, and it's so big that it can be seen from space. The reef is home to an incredible diversity of marine life, including over 1,500 species of fish and 600 types of coral. The smallest mammal in the world is a type of bat called the bumblebee bat, and it's so small that it weighs less than a penny. Despite its tiny size, the bumblebee bat is able to fly using its wings, which are proportionally much larger than those of other bats. Neutron stars are incredibly dense, and a single teaspoonful of the material in a neutron star would weigh about 6 billion tons. These stars are formed when a massive star explodes in a supernova, and their incredibly high density is due to the fact that their protons and electrons have merged to form neutrons. Water is unique in that it can exist in all 3 states of matter, solid, liquid, and gas, at the same time, but this only occurs at a specific temperature and pressure known as the triple point. This is a very rare occurrence, and it's only been observed in laboratory conditions. The total surface area of our lungs is enormous, about the size of a tennis court, and this allows us to breathe in enough oxygen to keep our bodies functioning properly. The lungs are made up of tiny air sacs called alveoli, which are surrounded by a network of blood vessels that exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide with the rest of the body. The tallest waterfall in our solar system is not found on Earth, but on a moon of Saturn called Titan. It's called the Kraken Mare and is about 300 meters high. This waterfall is actually made up of liquid methane, which is able to flow on the moon's surface due to its very low temperature and atmospheric pressure.